Alright guys, we're back in another video and we are doing solos today. We're playing Beat Saber on VR. I hope you enjoy the video. Kinda want wait, hold on. Alright, let's try this song. Alright guys, after this song we're going to play Animal Company. It's another game. What the? Let's see how it's making for man. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Now we are going to play Animal Company. It is really fun.
I think the grappler back, bro. Let's alone after.
I can just get it. This dude is trying to kill other people too. Come on, leave,
no,
Skitter
no.
Cat.
I wasn't really planning to leave.
Oh no, he actually left too. That's crazy.
That's kind of crazy, dude. Did he go to sewers? I think he went to sewers.
No, he fully left.
Who did?
Didn't want to buy my crap back.
This is just
You
nothing.
didn't have to buy an umbrella.
Better run, bro. You better run.
No, it's
Tell you,
not.
you better run.
I just didn't want to buy the
Better
grappler back. Costs a
run.
lot.
Hello.
He barely do any damage.
I'm down a good bit.
Oh wait,
now.
I'm gonna go and try a glitch.
Can anybody buy me a grappler?
Yo, Elfman.
I'm back
Green
there spawning.
Elfman.
I might have saved.
Green. Or blue. You green. Green, come here. Oh, flashlight. Nice.
Oh, taxi! God damn. Always gotta watch out! Bro, can I have a back? Can I have a backpack? Bro, can I have
I want to go
I
back.
bet. Do you want to be in my YouTube video? I'm making one.
Hey, can you
right
say my
now.
Yeah,
grappler,
sure.
bro?
Yeah, bro.
No, yeah, I'm getting back.
That's fine. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Yo, what do you want to
I wanna
play?
be
I
in
mean, like, what do you want to do?
How about we make some like money and go great hunting present?
Chad,
Like
I know
crystals?
a perfect spot to get money.
I'll give you my sword. I'll go
It
give
gets
you
you
We
like
get
5,000 in
crystals
front.
from the
Gives you,
Haunted Mansion?
5,000 in
It's
front.
the same sword as
Yeah.
Oh, that's where I go. That's where I go.
Alright, should we go into code? Should we go into code?
I know a code.
sure,
I know a code.
yeah.
I go to this code like all the time.
Do code.
How could people die?
What's the code?
How did people die?
ERT.
Idiot.
You make the code.
You gotta find the grappler and hit it in the map.
Wait, what?
ERT. Aw.
Ding dong ding ding. Bro.
People made.
Nice.
Alright guys, Look, there's a secret way. Y'all two can get a teleport ball. Y'all put it in my backpack, and then I get my own teleport ball. No, but you have to you have to pull the trigger,
I want
the
this.
pin on it.
Huh?
Yeah, pull the pin and then put it in.
Right now?
Yeah, pull the pin and put it in.
What code?
I just pull it when I get there.
Do this.
No, you can put it in my backpack, and then I can go through the keyhole. You already have.
Do
a
I get
backpack.
one
you
for
could
myself?
do that, yeah. Oh, it's not.
And then I get one.
Oh, I do have. I didn't even realize.
What
I
about
had
for
this
me?
shit.
Oh, guys, can you buy me a teleport? I don't got one.
Oh,
sure.
yeah, I got you.
My bad.
Here.
Alright, he already got. Okay, whatever.
Well, that's just a
Oh wait,
extra one. Alright, I'm gonna get some rockets before I go there.
wait, no, y'all don't need to come. Y'all don't need to come
Why?
because
Because
I
he's
can
gonna
go
use
through
the
the keyhole,
teleport grid. Yeah.
and then I can teleport y'all there.
How?
Y'all
if
just
he,
put-
if he
y'all-
dumps the
y'all-
teleport grenades,
I
they'll
can
teleport
dump the teleporters out, and then you're gonna teleport because
Oh,
you'll
Alright,
bet,
well,
put
then
pin
I'm
and
just
put it in
gonna
my
go
backpack.
fuck around
Yeah.
until you get there.
Alright. Can I have a Can I have a
I can
teleport?
claim,
Well, I
I can
need
claim my
teleport.
thing in the tech tree. Let's go.
Alright, thank you. Alright, guys, see ya.
Alright, see ya.
If you want to talk to me, just talk to me through this. This is why I love it. If I had a grappler, then I could like grapple onto the trees. I always have a grappler, but I don't this time.
I did when I used the grappler. Swing to the.
I just walk on with the tree. Sometimes if I don't have a grappler with me, I go up to that little heel thing. Then when I'm out there, okay, that's when I use the rocket.
Okay, so everyone, don't steal my stuff. Hello? What the?
What?
Are you here to get some free revolvers?
There's a
Oh,
clue
no.
here.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I'm
I'm selling
gonna
this
give
backpack.
some people like free revolvers because I've been.
I'm selling
I'm
this
here.
backpack.
Alright,
What's up?
Okay, just as I was about to buy something from the tech tree, but it's okay. I'll get it when we go
So-
back.
Yo, dude, why
Follow
are we
me,
in the
follow
sky?
me. You're not. It's just follow me. Go past. Go on left a little. Over here on this side. Look here, right here, right here, right here. Up here. Go up. Jump up. Shoot, no. Okay, so you're down here. Do like that. No, push up. Now jump up. Okay, now follow me. Alright. Down here.
I fell down to the bottom, so I'll just be.
alright, I'm coming.
Oh, there we go.
Now,
He's here.
Now I see.
the other kid's here. No! I dropped it!
I barely got any.
I didn't get even any. I don't even have any because I dropped my backpack when we're at the first 2 seconds. And I don't got enough.
Where are you? Where do you? Alright, where are y'all? Where are y'all?
I've got you guys. Your names right here.
There you are.
Yo, I could finally afford my hoverboard.
Yo, I'm gonna sell now.
Alright. Here, Sorry, bro.
Yo, don't put your teleport grenade in here. We're all going to the haunted mansion.
Oh, we didn't sell it.
Nah, bro, I don't
Sell
really
it.
want to go.
You sell it. Ugh.
Yo, who's going to haunted mansion with us? Who's going to haunted mansion?
Me.
And then where's the other kid that was with us?
I don't know.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wait, were you
Bro,
with us
can
at
I-
haunted
Do
mansion?
you have enough to buy?
Were you with us at haunted mansion?
Yeah.
Were you with us at haunted mansion?
No, now I have
Am I what?
2007.
Were you with us at haunted mansion?
Yeah. I mean, I
Okay,
was.
so
I mean, I came with you, but then I got teleported.
okay, we'll use that.
In here.
Activate it.
Okay.
Yep, activate it. Drop it in.
Alright.
No, just
Right, now
wait.
I'll
Then he's
teleport you
gonna
guys.
get his own. He's gonna put it in the keyhole, and then he's gonna just drop
Yep.
it us. And then we're gonna be floating in the sky.
Alright.
Do you know the pathway to drop down?
The what?
Okay, here. I know where to go. You're gonna be in the sky. Just follow me. We're gonna drop down, then you're gonna be able to see everything, alright? Because the map wasn't. Yo, when you get 4,000, can you buy me one of this?
Yeah,
How much are those?
they're 4,000 money or what?
Whatever.
No, how much are the?
How much are they for the crystals?
How much are the what?
Oh, they're 5.
Where did you even get them at?
They're at the top right corner of the text screen.
Top right.
Yo,
It looks
yo,
like
dude.
the heart
My YouTube.
of the haunted mansion.
You wanna know my YouTube?
Oh yeah. What? Yeah.
It's called Zechariah Chavez.
Alright. How you spell that?
Just so you know, it looks like the heart of the haunted mansion.
Yeah, I see it. See it. So how you spell that?
Dude, the lady's like right outside of it.
Oh shoot. Okay, wait. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name?
Me?
Your YouTube name. Yeah, how you spell your name?
Z-E.
Z-E.
Okay.
D-E. Bro, that's a Z-E.
Yo, I'm back. Z-E. It was Z-E,
Yeah.
right?
Got that?
C-E. C-H.
The lady is on the other side of the keyhole.
AR.
I'm scared.
A-R.
I-A-H.
Whoa. I-H-H. Is that
I
it?
didn't know she could get
No,
over here.
the last name is space,
Space.
capital C,
Capital C.
H-A-V-E.
Oh shoot.
The lady's right
Right?
there.
Wait, what is it?
So
She's right there.
the last name was C-H-A-V-E-Z.
A. V.
No, V as in Victor.
V.
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 Okay,
guys
like
hurry up and
this.
get
Look.
Got your name. Got your
Okay.
name.
Easy.
Wait, it says no results found.
Did you get it?
The last name is CHAVEZ.
Yes.
Urch.
And then the nickname is gonna be Dynamite. It says Dynamite. And it's a picture of a cute doggy. You see it?
No.
Oh.
I just don't.
Okay, so it was capital Z E C H A R I.
Okay. I found you. I found you. I
found
found
it?
you. I found you. Subscribe. Got that. Get
My
that.
last video was about Beat Saber.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me, that's me, that's me. And you're gonna be in my video.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, come on. Let's go. Follow me. Follow me.
Did you subscribe?
Yeah.
Nice. Now I have 70 subscribers.
Oh my gosh, 70, nice. I didn't check that good for subscribers. Now jump. Alright. There's like barely any crystals.
Slap.
I am dropping back.
I know, bro, there's no crystals.
I've got so much stuff.
I'm dropping down.
Sell it.
Get the rest of it on the top.
I fell.
You don't have enough for it?
I now have 1301.
I have 39,000.
I have 58K.
Damn. Well, we need to go.
How long have you been
Hardcore.
playing this?
A while.
I've been playing this for a week.
I've been playing probably since it like first came out. It's just money resets every now and then. Like
Then why
every
you so
update.
poor? Not to me.
It's because money resets like every update.
It does?
Yeah.
Shoot, I didn't know that. Unless, how
Or
much
it
money
used
would
to.
you have?
I'd have over 1 million with how long I've been playing.
Okay, that's too much.
It's achievable. You just gotta grind day and night. But with the amount of updates I've seen and played with this game,
Yeah.
Yo, I'm subscribed to your YouTube.
I have no, crystals. I have no crystals, so.
Oh, yeah? Yeah.
it's not fucking
dragging
me up for some reason.
Yo, get that thing with your ray gun.
Bro, I don't have enough health. Oh, got it. Yes, I actually do. Alright, put your crystals in. Oh, you don't have any?
Yo, do you have a YouTube channel?
I literally cannot tell. I can't get out of this place.
Yeah? What is it?
The beat. Okay, wait. Let me go.
Wait, let me get YouTube out.
Alright,
Okay.
alright, here. Let me get it.
I think you're gonna have to bring
Okay,
a
what is
teleport
it?
nade down here and then
Wait,
put it
I'm
in the
not ready.
backpack
I'm
so
not
I
on
can get
YouTube.
out.
I'm not on YouTube. Alright, here. Let me tell you. MEG
MEG
AN
AN
Oh, never mind. I got it.
D-A-R-R.
I just had to jump like super
D-A-R-R.
high because I was so heavy.
No, PARR.
Oh. PARR
Oh my god.
OTT.
The surface.
OTT.
I'm on like a little beach thing.
Are you guys ready to sell?
I have 108 subscribers. Are you gonna subscribe?
Oh man,
to me?
I see you. I'm gonna subscribe.
Alright. Did you subscribe?
Wait. I'm not signed in? Hold on.
I don't. Oh my god.
No,
do
you
it on
can't
my
subscribe.
do
No,
it on my
you
browser.
can't subscribe. Alright.
Okay, let me go up here, see if I can sell.
Tell me when
more.
you're done, alright? Tell me when you're done.
Okay.
I have 108 subscribers. Like in a few days, I'm gonna be
Alright, guys,
going
can you
live
guys
on
sell? You guys sell already? Can you guys sell?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. I'll
Oh,
watch
I have
it.
a lot of
In a
things.
few days, I'm gonna learn how to go live in like in VR. So then I'm gonna go live in Animal Company.
Nice. Can I do it with you?
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you the code, alright?
Alright, I subscribe.
Maybe like-
$4,000.
Maybe today, actually.
I
You
subscribe.
do it today? Oh, you did. Nice. Bro, do you even know how to like go live in like a game or something? Like so, like
no.
it shows the person.
Hold up.
Are you doing?
Wait. Are you 8?
7?
Oh my.
Yeah, I know. It's weird.
Anyway, add me.
How do you? Alright. And we're gonna have to go in a private, just me and you, right? That's the rules, right?
Alright, I don't know if I'll be on. When will it be?
today.
Today? What time?
I don't know, like when I learn. Like, I might just learn right now.
Oh, man, my head is hurting.
Yeah. On my like headset strap, it's like this thing, like these like little like
Alright, I'm
dot
back.
things, like
Okay.
the bars. H. Oh. O.
You here?
Live on YouTube. I'm not gonna YouTube and go and VR. Wait, I'm watching this. It says how to go live on YouTube and like so it shows the camera.
I mean, I
right?
know how to go live. There's like a go live button.
Yeah. But
Yeah, but
like
I'm making
it's
a
like
video
not
right
that.
now. I'm not going live right now.
I'm going live right now.
Like right now?
Yeah.
But let's
Let
do
me
collab.
see this. Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm ending
stop.
the video right
Wait,
here,
stop.
but I'm gonna be going live right now. I'll see ya. Peace. Wait. Hold up. I don't want to do this. Oh, peace.